In this video, we're gonna take a look at Cake DeFi, a new project by Julian Hosp. I just put $5,500 in Liquidity Mining, which is my favorite product from Cake DeFi. I will show you what rewards I'm getting here, why I am getting them every 12 hours. I want to give you an overview of the platform, of the lending services, of masternode staking, of liquidity mining, and everything you can do with Cake DeFi. Let's start and let's look what Cake DeFi has to offer. Before we start, you can get $30 worth in DeFi token when you sign up via the link under my video, bonusbomber.com/cakedefi, and you will also get my video course, the Crypto Social Trading Strategy, where I show you how you can copy successful traders that make a full-time income by trading cryptocurrencies just by following their trades without sending your Bitcoin anywhere. It's normally worth $199. One of my favorite strategies to make more out of my existing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoins, and so on. You will get it completely for free, additionally to the $30 DeFi bonus, which you will get when you sign up under bonusbomber.com/cakedefi and put at least $50 on your account. So here we are on the dashboard, like you already see here. Put your cryptocurrencies to work. You can hold your cryptocurrencies on Cake DeFi, but what we like to do is we like to try the liquidity mining, staking, and lending. First of all, what is Cake DeFi? It was founded in June 2019 in Singapore by Julian Hosp, and the goal is to make DeFi, decentralized financial services, available for everyone. It aims to generate cash flow. Julian Hosp is a big influencer in the crypto space in German-speaking countries, and Cake DeFi is very big in Germany. Cake is based on the DeFi chain blockchain, and the associated coin is DFI, so the base currency in which rewards, your return, are paid out at Cake is almost always the DFI coin. Like you already see here, with liquidity mining, you can get up to 63% per year in Bitcoin and DeFi. You would have to hold Bitcoin and the DFI token at the same time. I will show you how I did that, why I put $5,500 to work in liquidity mining. But first, I would like to show you the other products. Lending. You can do crypto lending, which allows you to lend your cryptocurrencies to other people for a certain interest rate. In this case, if you lend Bitcoin, you get up to 6% interest rates. You will lend them to traders that are aiming to getting more out of the Bitcoin. All you have to do is transfer your coins to Cake and deposit them into lending. Depending on the cryptocurrency you want to lend, the interest rates are different. Some cryptocurrencies, they also have a tiered interest rate depending on the future price of the currency. You can also automatically reinvest all your Bitcoins after the lending contract is finished. You can do that. It's not my favorite thing to do, I have to honestly say. Staking is a bit more interesting. Here you can basically stake DFI and the Dash token. It's an interesting way to invest in Cake and generate returns in the form of cash flow. You can basically participate in a masternode pool with your cryptocurrencies for which staking is offered. And as a reward for providing your coins in the masternode pool, you get paid a proportion of these staking awards. After deducting the processing fee, which Cake will retain directly, your rewards will be paid out to you as interest, also twice a day, like with liquidity mining. So you can get 86% on the DFI token and 5.4% per year on the Dash token. This is the interest including the compound interest. In principle, there's no reason not to use automatic reinvestment. You can do that, otherwise the interest will just sit around uselessly in your wallet. You can withdraw coins from staking at any time unless you use the freezer, which we will check now. The freezer, basically, what's the freezer for DFI? With the help of the freezer, you can literally freeze your DFI tokens and also other things for a certain period of time. So I can say I want to freeze 1000 DFI tokens for a length of until 12 years. So here I will see I will get about, with the freezer, 4058 DFI tokens out of these 1000 DFI tokens. So I will quadruple, or even more than that, my initial investment with an API of 104.5%. The base API would be 86%. The longer the term of your freezer, the more fees you save. The downside of this is that if you have frozen your DFI for a certain period of time, you cannot withdraw or exchange it under any circumstances. And Julian Hosp and his team, they are calculating with this money. That's why you get paid a higher interest rate. And now to my favorite part, the liquidity mining, which I'm doing, where I put $5,500 worth of Bitcoin and DFI in the same parts in. And this is the most exciting product on this platform. That's why I registered an account here. So what is liquidity mining? It's also known as yield farming. Maybe you've heard that term already somewhere. It's the act of providing liquidity via cryptocurrencies to decentralized exchanges, DEX exchanges, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and so on. The primary goal of an exchange, of the cryptocurrency exchange, is to be liquid. And decentralized exchanges, they seek to reward users willing to bring capital to the platform. And that's exactly what we are doing here. Those decentralized exchanges, like the name already says, are decentralized by replacing order books with an automatic market maker, and that's a smart contract that regulates trading. So since smart contracts are decentralized, users do not have to trade the order book of an exchange. Instead, they effectively trade with other users. So for trading these platforms, they introduce token swapping. With the help of token swaps, it's impossible to trade one token for another within a liquidity pool. Each time a user trades, he will pay a certain fee. For example, the fee amounts to 0.3% on Uniswap, one of the most famous decentralized exchanges. Then the automatic market maker collects these fees and grants them to each liquidity provider as a reward. Therefore, the decentralized exchange offers a symbiotic ecosystem where each group of users, they help each other, while the token swapper pays a small fee to a trade on a decentralized exchange. The liquidity provider earns money for providing the liquidity that the first user will need. I know it's a lot of stuff here. The most important thing to note is that each liquidity pool consists out of 2 tokens representing a single trading pair, and most decentralized exchanges require a 1-to-1 pool ratio. This means that the liquidity pool must consist of an equal amount of both tokens, and this is achieved by forcing liquidity pools to contribute both of the pool's assets. So, in short words, you are just providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges that are working automatically, not with order books. And that's what we're doing here. So that's why you can have this high return. I will get 63% if I stake Bitcoin and the DFI token here. So I can just go to add liquidity and I can say, okay, I want to stake 1000 DFI token and the same amount in Bitcoin. So if I have $1,000 worth of DFI token, I need to stake $1,000 worth of DFI token. So that's what I did here. Like you already see here, I just put $5,571 US to be exact, split up 50% in Bitcoin and DFI tokens into the liquidity mining, and I will see what I will get. I will get 2 payouts each day, which should resume in 63% yearly returns. I will see what it will do. You will get updates on my channel. Just subscribe to my channel and you will get these updates as soon as I have my first results here. So you will ask yourself, how does Cake DeFi make money? How can they offer these high interest rates? The company's business model is essentially based on 2 pillars. It's the aggregation of cryptocurrencies and staking fees and liquidity mining. So in aggregation, Cake aggregates the cryptocurrencies that its customers lend into larger blocks and brokers them on for a set term. So just to say it, you give your money here to Cake DeFi, you give your money here to Julian Hosp and his team. You don't have access to your wallet, you don't have access to your keys. It's not basically under your full control anymore. So you have to trust the team. I know the team, I trust them, I trust Julian Hosp. That's why I put my money there. I regard Cake DeFi as a good project, as a secure project, Julian Hosp's name recognition, the good transparency and presence on social media channels like YouTube, Facebook and so on, especially in the German market, the company headquarters in Singapore and the large community, especially in the German-speaking market, I consider Cake DeFi as more reputable and secure than other crypto or P2P platforms. What I like about Cake DeFi is it's very easy to get started. It's the first thing if you want to come in contact with decentralized finance. It's easy to get started for beginners. You have very high returns on stakings. You have a high compound interest effect with a lot of other advantages. You have a strong traction with Julian Hosp. So if Julian Hosp as an influencer in the crypto space is growing, the DFI token will go up. More people will go into this project and you can also profit from rising coin prices. The disadvantages is sure, Cake DeFi is at its beginning. That's why you have these high kind of returns. With time, they will go down. You have limited options when depositing fiat currency, so you can buy bitcoins here, but it's a bit hard to do that. I would just transfer my bitcoins from my wallet to Cake DeFi. You have limited offering in lending. You have a platform risk, sure, as with all crypto platforms. I can say with the products they have here, liquidity mining, staking and lending, the important basic products are available that many crypto investors want. So this is, in my opinion, the first thing you can do if you're a beginner and if you want to go into the DeFi space. Overall, from my Cake DeFi experience, I can say that it's a very intuitive and easy to use platform here. The website interface is very good. The company headquarters is, like I said, in Singapore. They're concerned about transparency. There's an active Telegram community, a broad German-speaking investor base. One of the founders is actually Austrian. There's a lot of marketing going on. So yeah, you can hope that the company and DeFi and Julian Hosp's growth as an influencer will help the company to grow. So to sum it up, I trust Julian Hosp, investors who have the confidence in Julian Hosp and his team, who want to invest into a project that they are launching, can invest a part of their crypto budget in these projects. I would recommend, if you use Cake DeFi, to use the liquidity mining to provide liquidity for decentralized exchanges. In my opinion, the risk-reward ratio here is the best of all products you have on Cake DeFi. So yeah, that's really great. Invest a part of your cryptocurrencies here. Right now I'm not using staking, I'm not using lending, but the liquidity mining is my favorite thing here. So I can definitely recommend you to use the platform. You can also get your bonus via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/cakedefi. You will get 30% worth in DFI tokens if you deposit at least $50 on this platform. You will get it completely for free. Just deposit $50 on the platform and you will also get my video course worth $199 from me completely for free. My crypto social trading strategy. Maybe you know social trading from the Forex market. You can just follow the signals of very successful traders that have a proven track record of the last years, that are making a full-time income with crypto trading, and they will trade Ethereum, they will trade Bitcoin and so on. And I will show you exactly how I'm doing that and how I'm earning a full-time income just by following these traders. Yes, I pay them a little bit of my profits, but that definitely pays off. Sign up for Cake DeFi via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/cakedefi. Get your $30 DeFi bonus when you purchase assets worth of $50. And don't forget to write me an email to bonus@bonusbomber.com after you've signed up and you've deposited at least $50 onto the platform, so that I know where I can send you my video course. Just send an email to bonus@bonusbomber.com so that I know where I can send it to. I wish you a great day and amazing results, high yield with this strategy, with Cake DeFi. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up for the algorithm, and if you have any questions, just hit the comment box below. I'm happy to answer all of your questions.